In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up the Conversations inbox in HubSpot efficiently and quickly. Setting up your Conversations inbox in HubSpot is an important way to organize and manage your communication with clients and prospects. We'll walk through the process step by step, and by the end, you'll have a fully functional inbox ready to manage your emails seamlessly. First, you'll want to navigate to the HubSpot website. It's best to have this page already bookmarked or know the URL so you can quickly get started. Once you're on the site, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you will see the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. When you're prompted to log in, you have the option to do so using different methods. For today's tutorial, we'll choose to sign in with Google, which can make the process smoother, especially if you're already using Google's suite of tools for your business needs. So click on Sign in with Google and then choose your appropriate Google account. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to access your settings. At this point, look again toward the top right corner of the page where you'll find the Settings icon. Click on it to open your HubSpot settings. After accessing your settings, you will notice several tabs at the top of this page. We are heading to the Email tab, so click on that. This is where you'll start setting up your email configuration. Within the email settings, there is an option labeled Connect Personal Email. Click on it to initiate a connection. Next, you'll find an option labeled Connect Your Inbox. Go ahead and click on this option as it allows you to link your personal email inbox directly with HubSpot. Following this, type in the email address you want to connect. Be sure to enter it correctly to avoid any issues down the line. After entering your email address, click on Next to proceed to the next stage of the setup. You'll be directed to a new page where you must click on Connect to Gmail. This step is crucial for integrating your Gmail account with HubSpot, creating a smooth pipeline for your emails. Soon after, you'll have another button that says Continue. Click on this to advance the process. The final step is to select the Gmail account you wish to connect. Once chosen, your Gmail will now be linked directly with your HubSpot inbox. And there you have it. You've successfully set up the Conversations inbox in HubSpot. With this setup, managing your emails right from HubSpot becomes seamless, bringing all your important client communications together in one place. Thank you for following along, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful.